So the lecture topic for today is pollution. I have divided some topics about this lecturate, like basic introduction, what is pollution, what types of pollution are there, and how can we reduce it. All right. So first start. Going to start about from introduction. Pollution has become a very common but yet serious issue in the today's world. It has been there for a long time, even before the human evolution, such as volcanoes. So the current scenario is that it is rising day by day due to the various resources of pollutants. And one of the pollutants is human and human created machines, as we all know. It is to say that pollution is damaging the earth in several ways. Humans should play our part to prevent it from happening, obviously, like air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution is basically occurs due to the presence of harmful gases. It is due to vehicle use, a huge amount of vehicle use, dust also, and dirt in air, poisonous gases which came from the industries and factories. To reduce odor pollution, we should use carpooling or public transport or electric cars that are new in the market right now. So, from reducing the uses of private vehicle to the public transport, in that way we can prevent the air pollution in a huge amount. And we should also avoid burning trashes or other materials also, and we should aware of crackers. We should decrease the uses of these crackers, right? So second pollution is basically water pollution. Water pollution happens when toxic substance get mixed in the various water bodies, like uh, like the wastage of industrial factories waters, the chemicals, and there is and the uh, chemical wastage, and that in that way water is getting polluted. And there is other several reasons like climate changes and etc. So we have to prevent it and we have to be aware of it. So in that way you can decrease the water pollution. So the third point is soil pollution. Soil pollution depletes the contents of soil due to the presence of the toxic substance. To maintain that, the government have to aware of it, and the wastage of industries get mixed into the soil, and in that way soil get polluted. There are few other pollutants apart from this industrial substance. So this one of the rare types of pollution. It occurs due to the presence of radioactive substance such as nuclear waste, air, and solid for any other places. So the last point is how can we reduce the pollution gradually? After learning about the harmful effects of pollution, it is everyone's responsibility to take some steps towards the prevention of pollution. We should be aware of all the possible prevented measures to help to reduce every kind of pollution, such as curb air pollution. We should avoid bursting crackers during festivals, using public transports and carpools, etc. And cutting down the uses of loudspeaker, public honking to help to prevent the noise pollution. We should always be aware of the situation and take measures accordingly. It asks we should to be curious in the beginning and make everyone else surrounding as well as ourselves. We should take eco-friendly steps like planting more trees, reduce the uses of plastic, use more suitable products in the household, etc. While talking about the pollution to the entire world, we should always remember that uh, every small step can make a huge difference in a bigger picture. So I would like to conclude by like that every kind of pollution leaves a huge negative impact of our environment and our human life also. We as a responsible citizen must take safe steps towards a better tomorrow. We must join the hands and government must be aware of these things. In that way, with the support of each other, prevent the causes of pollution and uh, we can we can step towards a better and a brighter future. Thank you.